the 1998 Toyota Hilux Surf. It comes with 108,317 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 3RZ FE 2.7 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. Alright, as y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. As y'all can see, this vehicle does come in kilometers right here. 174,319, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 108,317. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. You can check out our website at techmotorspostalcars.com. Or if you do have any questions, you can give us a call at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any of y'all's questions. We do appreciate you guys. Thank you for the continual support. And I hope y'all have a blessed and safe day.